Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on the Ramco Cements. Our analyst has a buy on the Ramco Cement with a price target of Rs 1010, considering its strong earnings growth profile over FY23 to FY25 earnings. Post recording a 35% year-on-year sales volume growth in FY23, it targets to achieve 21% year-on-year volume growth for FY24 on the back of resilient demand from infra and housing. The analyst expects strong volume growth outperformance in Q1 of FY24, while declining coal and petcoke prices during Q1 of FY24 and July 23 would aid in improving operational profitability in Q2 of FY24 and Q3 of FY24. The front loading of capital expenditure for future expansion would entail lower cost for incremental organic expansion along with reviving return ratios. Next on radar is BAJAJAUTO. Our analyst maintains buy rating on BAJAJAUTO with upward revised price target of Rs 5,600 on its consistent focus on profitability and its brand focus play in premium segment. With affordable triumphs, BAL has entered into a global iconic premium motorcycle segment as it launched Triumph Speed 400 at an aggressive pricing of Rs 2.33 lakh in India. The company is following a multi-brand approach for a holistic motorcycle play, which in our view would help it to sustain its profitability. The stock is currently trading at price to equity multiple of 18.6 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 12.8 times its FY25 earning estimates. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.